All right, so today a slightly different product from the folks over at Vicseed. You may remember I've worked with Vicseed a few times on some car mounts and things like that. Today, they have sent me a paper towel holder, which you're probably like, what would you need that for? Well, currently my paper towels sit on a little thing that sits on the counter. And with this, I'd be able to wall mount this or even I think sticky tape it to like the cabinet where that's off the counter and out of the way. So this is the front of the box, nothing really around it. And then the back just has company information, model number, and the weight. It's the PDUZ77. So Vicseed paper towel holder in silver. Let's cut this over. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, I remember that. So there we go. So there's some included instructions. So, you know, if you need those. Some included screws with anchors, always good. And then foam. And, oh wow, this is, okay. So the sticky adhesive is already on the back. So that's good to know. And you're actually able to rotate this. Yeah, look at that. So you could do it that way, you could do it this way, you could do it this way. There's a lot of possibility. And this is actually made out of like rubber or silicone. So it seems like when you'd slide on your paper towel, it would not slide off too easily. Wow, okay. This one is silver and just a little Vicseed branding right there, but I don't see anything wrong with that. But man, feels like great quality, like this thing's steel or something. Like, it's not gonna break. You're good with this. Very nice. So let's, I guess let's take this out to the kitchen and set it up and get it working. All right, so we have mounted the Vicseed paper towel holder. I absolutely love it. Got rid of our old paper towel holder and put this on. Bada bing. And the best part is we can turn it that way if we have to get the towel on. So there you go, the Vicseed paper towel holder.